Hello, people. Thank you for joining me. Now, right in front of me, I have the Euro USD on the chart on Euro USD. So now let's analyze Euro USD. How Euro USD should play out for the market week. Now, on my previous videos on Euro USD, I was calling Euro USD to this support level right here, provided that this support level is taken out. Previous level of support has a strong resistance, giving us a pullback after the breakout of this neckline, giving us a pullback, and Euro USD should drop to this support level right here. Now on the daily time frame right here, we have a trend reversal. We have a left shoulder, we have the head, and we have a right shoulder from around here too. So it's completed. And this support level is serving as a neckline of the chart pattern. All we just need is Euro USD to break out of the neckline and continue to sell down to the level. But Euro USD price cannot just sell in to the level like that. It has to pull back. Previous level of support has to strong resistance. The pullback will activate it to be resistance, giving us a setup to jump in for a sell on Euro USD. Now, also in my last previous video, I was having a conflict right here that Euro USD price might come to attempt this high right here, because whether you like it or not, this is a resistance level right here. This is a resistance level right here. So, and I was having that conflict in me that Euro USD might possibly come to attempt this green bar for the second attempt. If that second attempt should hold, Euro USD price will push back down. And if it did not hold, Euro USD will elevate to this resistance level right here. And also looking at this, look at it, and also looking at it now. Now when we have price break and close above this level, previous level of resistance, strong support, it tested it, pull back again, it also tested it. While it pulled back to test it, while the my mouse is lagging, so I don't know. Now why the price pull back to test this level right here, it formed a trend reversal, a chart pattern, left shoulder, head, and right shoulder right here, and all we just have to wait for is neckline to be taken out. And I was also saying, provided that the neckline has not been taken out, Euro USD price can still come right here to attempt this green bar again for the second attempt, giving us a double top. That is if it hold for a double top, and if it did not hold, it will come right here. So, and I'll also say that if this level can be taken out, Euro USD price will drop. And just like I've said it happens like that. So now the left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder chart pattern, the neckline has been taken out. So now what we are expecting right now, is to see a pullback, right? A pullback like so, a pullback to this level, previous level of support has to turn resistance, give us a pullback setup to jump in for a sell down right here on Euro USD. Now, what happens here? In the past, early this year, what happens here also. Now, we all know that Euro USD has been in a nasty range for the past 2 years. In a nasty range for the past 2 years, it has been moving in a sideways movement for the past 2 years, and eventually early this year, around January, Euro USD price break out of the long time sideways movement and break and close below this level. Price pullback, turning previous level of support to resistance, and we expected Euro USD price to sell down to this support level. By now, if not that Euro USD price push up, by now Euro USD will be somewhere around here by now, definitely. Now, when that happen, all we just have to we just notice that what Euro USD just formed a trend reversal right here, and what and it elevated back up. And it elevated into the range again. When now we have a breakout of it, and now what happens here has also happens right here also. So that means Euro USD is telling us that what I am not interested going to the upside anymore. I want to drop back down. And what we are seeing right now is telling us that what Euro USD will sell down right here for sure. Yes, Euro USD will sell down right here. Now what we are waiting for is the pullback. What we are waiting for right now is a pullback, let period level of support, top resistance, and Euro USD will sell down right here. So now we have seen what we need to see. What happens here has also happens here too. Euro USD tell us that I am not interested selling. I want to enter back inside the range. Now it entered inside the range and what and break and close above this level. It acted as if it wants to continue coming to this level right here. But what Euro USD formed a trend reversal. Left shoulder head, the right shoulder, the neckline is taken out, and Euro USD is giving us sign that I want to come back in again. But later in the future, if Euro USD gets here and is able to break and close below this support level right here, Euro USD will drop further to this level. Yeah. If Euro USD should come back here, if Euro USD should come back right here and break this level right here, Euro USD price is coming right here. But at least before price before price gets here, it has to pass through this level. Pass through this space to come right here. So now let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see details, to see the proper setup. Now right here, this was, like I've said, on daily time frame, this was the left shoulder, we have the head, and we have the right shoulder right here, and this support level was acting as the neckline of the chart pattern. Now what is holding price now? We expect Euro USD price to give us a pullback, like so, and sell down. We expect to see something like this on Euro USD. Euro USD should just come like so, give us a pullback, and Euro USD will drop. But note, Euro USD price won't just drop like so. It has to move in sequence, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So there might be troubles around here getting on the way, but eventually Euro USD will still find its way to sell down right here. If this pullback is fulfilled, Euro USD price will definitely sell down to this support level right here. Now right here now, what is now right here now? We have a support level. How will I call it? We have a support level right here. Now on the 4-hour time frame, now we have a support level right here on the 4-hour time frame. The resistance level. This was acting as a resistance level in the past before price was able to break and close above it, and now it has come right here. Now this is now acting as a support because we have price here. This is acting as a support level right here. So like I've said earlier, now we want to see a pullback. Price has to pull back like so. Price needs to pull back like so. Come right here. Come and test this level. In fact, it might even extend it a little bit out and continue going lower. Come right here again to attempt this support level. If this support level is taken out, ladies and gentlemen, if this support level is taken out, this very support level, if it's taken out after price has pulled back, and is going to attempt this support level again, if this support level is taken out, ladies and gentlemen, the next level target on Euro USD will be here. The next level target for Euro USD will be this green bar right here, provided that this support level, provided that this level is taken out. If this level is taken out successfully, Euro USD will sell down right here. when price also gets here also, and this support level too is also taken out, the next level target will be right here also. So when this is taken out also, the next level target will be this support level right here. Yes, the next level target will be this support level right here, provided that all these levels, all these regions, these support and resistance region are taken out. Euro USD will drop to this support level right here. So now what we are patiently waiting right now is to see Euro USD price pulling back right here to this resistance level. Let previous level of support turn resistance, and Euro USD will sell back down to attempt this level again. If this level is cleared, that means that Euro USD will be free to sell down. Whatever challenges that might happen, while price was finding its way, there might be this market is coming right here. So at least there might be challenge on the way from here before price, but eventually price will find its way to sell down back down. So to sell down right here. So we still have space to play with until price gets here. But right now, as for me, I will waiting patiently. I'll be waiting patiently for a pullback. I want to see a pullback. Let Euro USD price pull back to this level, to this region, previous level of support, turn resistance, and Euro USD will sell down. But note, this market is dynamic. Price can see blast up right here. Price can see what? Blast up to the roof right here. Yes, if you can see a pullback, come right here to attempt it. Euro USD will break this level, and Euro USD will sell down to this level. I mean, it will sell down to this support level right here. So until then, let's see how Euro USD will play out. Let's see how Euro USD will play out before we can be sure. I mean, at least Euro USD has given us about 20% of 50% of what it wants to do, but at least it has to give us a proper setup that yes, indeed, I want to go lower. From here now, Euro USD has tell us already, but at least it has done 50% of the work. At least let it complete the work and sell down. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, neckline has been taken out. We test it, and Euro USD we sell down right here. And what? And Euro USD we sell down right here. Just Euro USD come and do something like this. And what? Euro USD come and do something like this and sell back down. Come and do something like this and sell back down. Then so that is that on Euro USD. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thank you for watching. Drop a like, comment, and share on the video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.